Come home.
Stronger.
Wiser.
Sharper.
Hopeful.
Ready. What we know is there's a national problem called mass incarceration, but reentry is hyperlocal.
Immediately begin putting yourself in positions where you're providing a healthy curiosity into every opportunity. Do not look down upon anything that's presented to you and say, that's not something that I want to do.
So ready for me was really assessing my team that could help me carry out goals. It's gonna take a village to raise a child. It's gonna take that same village to assist folks upon reentry. So think about your village.
When we walk out, we're walking out here. If you don't know where to go, you don't know who to ask, if you're too proud to ask, that's why it's local. Local because it starts with you.
How would you define ready?
I think each person has to define ready for themselves. And I think that's why reentry is challenging. And today, we have an opportunity to solve the problem of allowing people to come home ready.